The mystery behind the mask. Why YouTube content creators go faceless. In the age of influencer culture and personal branding, there's a delightfully rebellious trend sweeping YouTube. Creators who steadfastly refuse to show their faces. While the rest of the internet is busy perfecting their ring light setup and practicing their surprised thumbnail face, these mysterious maestros are building empires behind animated avatars, stock footage, and the occasional pair of hands typing furiously on a keyboard. The art of strategic anonymity. Going faceless isn't just about being camera shy. It's often a brilliant business strategy wrapped in an air of mystery. Think about it. When you're not tied to your physical appearance, you become infinitely scalable. Your content can be dubbed into 17 languages without anyone noticing that your lips don't match the words. You can hire voice actors, animators, and editors to create content while you're sipping pina coladas on a beach somewhere, living the dream of every entrepreneur who ever wanted to make money while sleeping. The liberation of low maintenance. Let's be honest, maintaining a face for YouTube is exhausting work. There's the constant pressure to look presentable, the lighting disasters that make you look like a vampire or a ghost, sometimes both, and don't even get started on the nightmare of, did I have something in my teeth for that entire 20-minute video? Faceless creators have liberated themselves from the tyranny of good hair days and can record content in their pajamas at 3 a.m. without anyone being the wiser. The power of the mysterious brand. There's something undeniably compelling about mystery. While face-revealed creators are busy explaining their breakfast choices and showing off their bedroom decor, faceless creators become enigmas. Their audiences develop parasocial relationships with voices, animations, and ideas rather than physical appearances. It's like being a superhero. Clark Kent might be forgettable, but Superman is iconic. When your brand isn't tied to your face, it becomes tied to your ideas, and ideas have a funny way of being more memorable than whether someone has symmetrical eyebrows. The algorithm loves a good voice. Here's a little secret. YouTube's algorithm doesn't actually care what you look like. It cares about watch time, engagement, and whether people stick around to hear what you have to say. Some of the most successful channels on the platform are essentially animated podcasts with visual aids. When you remove the distraction of physical appearance, audiences focus entirely on content quality. It's meritocracy in its purest form. May the best storyteller, educator, or entertainer win. The comment section immunity. Perhaps most brilliantly, faceless creators have achieved something that traditional YouTubers can only dream of: immunity from appearance-based criticism. While their face-showing counterparts field comments about everything from their choice of shirt to their dental work, faceless creators sail serenely above the fray. The worst they get is someone critiquing their microphone quality or questioning their animated avatar's fashion choices. The future is faceless. In a world where deep fakes and AI-generated content are becoming increasingly sophisticated, going faceless might actually be the most forward-thinking approach to content creation. These creators are already prepared for a future where authenticity is measured by ideas rather than physical presence. They're not just hiding their faces, they're pioneering a new era of digital creativity where personality transcends physicality. So the next time you're watching a faceless creator explain quantum physics through stick figure animations, or listening to a disembodied voice dissect the latest internet drama, remember, you're not just consuming content, you're witnessing a quiet revolution where creativity has decided that faces are optional, but good ideas are not.